And greetings, everyone. Hello, James. How are you doing today? Hello to everyone else who may be there. Today, I am returning to the Tiger Tries. It has been a while, and the reason is that there aren't that many games that I've been wanting to try. I am finding that of the new games that are coming out, stuff on my wish list, there's a lot of more of the same. And not, if I'm already playing that, I've already played it. I don't feel like playing it again. And the stuff in my library, well, there are games I want to return to, but not just for a session. There are games that I want to sit down and spend time playing. So I came across this. The Farmer Was Replaced on YouTube. Orbital Potato is I don't follow him or them, but their video keeps jumping on my dashboard, and to be fair, 9 times out of 10, meh, you know, what they play or do as it doesn't appeal to me. But this one, this one was intriguing and it was cheap. Always a plus. Because at its core, I only watched maybe a third of their video, because at that point I realized I was interested. I did not want to see the entire gameplay, but from what I saw, enough is that it's a game around basically programming. It's around logic functions, logic gates, and it's a puzzle of that, which, for those who know me, should have made me run away in the opposite direction, because I suck at those things. But part of what appealed to me is this. The yes, and it's one of the other one. I enjoyed it, but they're in the minority. A lot of the time, because programming requires a lot of figuring things out. And the thing with programming is that the where Opus Magnum gets a bit of an leg up on it is that it's the programming is very visual. The buttons show you what they do, so it's a lot easier to figure out what they do. But when you know when you need to write down a program, uh you know it's it's a little tougher. And where I think this will be nice for me is these. There's always an explanation, about what the function is. So yeah. All right. So, we're going to try this. First program. All programming is done in code windows. Each window corresponds to a text file containing code. The code can be edited like any text editor, so long as it's not running. You can execute a program directly by pressing the green arrow to play the button. When you run a program, the code flashes so you can see the execution flow. You can create more code by using the plus window, upper right. You can dock windows to one another. In the step is a completion window pop up. Press tab to insert the code. Use the arrow to navigate through the code. The completion option. Don't worry if this is your first time programming. Pretty much. The language is unlocked step by step, so you won't be overwhelmed by all the things you can do. Syntax is also similar to that of Python, which does not help. One of the most widely used programming language in the world. Only is not completely wasted. You only know Python. This is not a problem either. You'll just be able to skip the early game and get to a more interesting side. So, code is a sequence of statements and do a flop. These functions are called functions. So, typing the statement and unlocks, collect grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loop. So these are the stuff I can unlock. Increase the speed of the door of that speed. So this is what I need to unlock. I need 5 hay for that. Increase the yield. Increase the speed. Okay. All right. Okay, so I need to close that up. Hey, Fid! Yes, a new game. This is something I used to do every Saturday afternoon. The Tiger Tries, where I did that back then because I had a list this long of games in my list that I had bought and never played. So, you know, mainly because I had money back then. So I figured I would start that. When I ran out, James and other people would suggest games, and if I could afford them or if they were on demo, I would try them. And then I ran out of games and I couldn't find games that were appealing. So that's when I started playing a regular game on Saturdays. And this week, actually yesterday, I came across this. So, yeah. So I decided to do it today. I don't know how long I'll be playing that. I don't know if you've been here on a Saturday normal before Fid. Usually Saturday I play for about 6 hours. So in Medieval Dynasty, I would play 2 seasons unless stuff happens. So I'm going to play this for a while. I don't know how long I'm going to last. And when I'm done, I will... all right, so how much did I need to loops? I needed 5. All right. Okay, we have unlocked the while loop, value true and false. Don't worry about creating infinite loop. The delay in this here will prevent program from freezing. Probably you've already tried to make several harvests. Yes, I did. This allows you to harvest several times in one program. However, you would be nice to harvest more than 3 times, and writing the same code multiple times is bad practice. Well, that's what the, you know, the copy paste function is for. isn't it? All right, so loop, execute the code inside the, actually, let's put that down here so I've got space to. The loop until condition is false, where you want to replace condition with Boolean value and number loop body, whatever. You say, what? There are two constant Boolean value available. Constants are value that never change during the program. Create a constant value that is always true, can be super right true, while false. You could write either true, either false. These will never do a flip. The first will end, the second will do flips forever. Creating flip is a bad idea because it causes the program to, it will freeze the program, but in this game there are delays. Loop, so it will cause a drone to keep doing a flip until you manually stop it by pressing the execute button again. Now the line after the colon is indented. Indentation like this is used to separate code of blocks. Just press tab and shift tab or backspace to remove it. The loop will repeat all indented statement after a colon. So I want while true, harvest. Oh, okay. Okay, cool. So, unlock speed. Unlock grass. Increases the yield. Okay, I kind of wish you wouldn't do that, but maybe. Okay, stop that because we have a problem now. What's going on? So you are. Okay, so you're going too fast. Okay. What are my options? Do a flip, continue. Right. Oh, okay, we got new information here. So I want to check something here. So is this where you're always going? If I do this, will you change stuff? Okay. Right. So the exchange speed has been doubled. The problem is that the drone is now harvest faster than the grass can grow, resulting in no harvest at all. The Dildas wheat branch can be harvested if condition 1 do a flip, else harvest, else do a flip harvest. Can harvest Okay, give me an example. And this is what I like. Because, well, I mean, okay, I guess no. I thought it was going to give me actual example. All right, so if can harvest how am I supposed to write this? Yeah, I know it's execute Okay, there we go. That's what I want. Here's the find. Turns true. Can harvest drone that is ready to be harvested. False otherwise. Okay, so if can harvest, you're saying it's automatically true. Harvest. Else. We need something that's going to pass the time, so it's going to have to be do a flip, because I don't think we have a wait. Pass. What is pass? Why did you... Okay. Why do you not... Why do you not add the parenthesis if it always needs to be there? Like, why make that optional if it always needs to be there? Want a hint? Uh, yes and no. Like, I figured there's a reason, but stop. So a number would go within the parenthesis telling it how many times to execute the function? Well, the problem is I can run it and but it doesn't do what I need it to do because for some reason it considers this to be harvestable. So unless unless it needs that. Ah, okay. Okay, then I don't know what the parenthesis is about, but okay. All right, so we've got that. We can we can let that run until we get 100. Hey Akla, welcome to the stream. How are you doing today? Uh, I am doing okay. Increases the yield. All right. So now that's going to need 30. Okay. So let's have you continue. On a condition like this because it returns a Boolean value. What means after the function is executed? If it can harvest is called. Can harvest does the thing. Harvest return true or false. I can use if to prevent the drone from harvesting too early. All right, we now have movement. I don't want to destroy that, so let's create a new window to test with. So, while true, move north. Okay. I'm literally. Wait, is that you don't? Do you not want the M? Oh, wow. Capital is a problem. Okay. All right, stop. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. Harvest and move. Cool. All right. All right, so I think we're going to go to 300 and increase the yield before moving on to anything else. All right, so now we get a new plant. because it goes automatically. Other the plant have to be planted with the plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant in the function window like this. Farm to the grass, so plant. Okay, so it plants by itself. Okay, so then, and if I harvest too quickly, it will destroy that. So I want, what do I want right So ideally, I want this move north. And here's the thing, this is why programming isn't great for me, because I have to write it long to start with. So let's just do it this way. So that gives me twice. Because what I want to turn 2 into bushes to get wood, and I want to keep 1 as grass. So right now, except that means it's not paying attention to these. So what I want to do, let's copy. That is a function. You know what? I think I'm going to remove. Let's see what happens. What happens with this? Okay. So it does not replant. I guess until I get this. All right, keep doing that. Okay. So, the drone can now see. Get position, return to current line, X position of the start position. Oh boy, num item returns how many items. Get entity type, get ground type. Do a flip if you are over a bush. If get entity type, entity bush, do a flip. The none. Oh boy. Okay. So then I want that is my problem with programming. I'm realizing having the information doesn't help as much as I would want. I Okay, so this can only be an equal. Cannot be a does not equal. But you just which means that I need to do this. Okay. Don't put something in the do not put something in here that I cannot use. That's another aspect of instruction that I really don't like, because I'm literally doing the equivalent of that and they're going, "Oh, well, I haven't unlocked the thing." Well, why is this there then? And yes, I get it. It's there because they have no way of knowing in what order I'm going to do stuff. But damn it, is it annoying. All right, so then I need to get, how much wood? 30. Okay, I need, well, fine. So I need 300 of that. So I can already tell there's an error with this. Oh, come on. Why is this 0? This is supposed to be. There we go. I. So yeah, that's the problem. So how do I get you to, if you detect grass, I can't, okay, so I have to, okay, stop. I thought that it turns true if there's an entity under the drone that is ready to be harvested. False otherwise. But that's not ready to be harvested. So why is it doing that? Oh. Okay, so what am I not understanding? What am I not getting here? Can harvest. Used to find out if a plant is fully grown. Okay, true if there's an entity drone that's ready to be harvested. Right click for more information. I don't want the if branch. No, that's not what I want. That's movement. Can harvest from true. Okay, there's definitely something I'm not getting. Because if this is false, it should go here. Why is it? Like, these things are not ready to be harvested when it goes over them. So why is it harvesting anyway? Yeah, I this is not like I really was hoping that this was going to provide me with stuff I can actually use. But Why is it harvesting when it's not ready? You used to find out if the plant is fully grows. Is there a problem? Like, what am I not understanding here? Uh, okay, unless... Is that what I'm not getting? Ah, okay, there it is. Okay, that's the damn parenthesis again. And you've unlocked operators within that. No, all numbers in the game are floating point numbers. So all remaining versions are floating point operator. Define. Okay. Well, I've worked that one out. Okay. Okay. So, so let's have you collect grass for a while. So, well, true. For grass, I don't need an if. It's harvest. north. Yes, yes, yes. I'm well aware this is not a bad. Okay, let's try. Let's do it. Let's do it step by step. While I do that, that's what you do. And let's be fair here. If all I'm going to get to do is grass, that's enough. All right, how can I use that? How can I use that? If I want to do this 3 times, uh, so if I go A equals, this is there, 1. Enjoy, James. Uh, da, 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 da. Wait, do we not have variable? We have an unlocked variable. Ah, okay. So I can't do this until I have variables. So, stop this. So if I do you, we are wasting time. So I need a way to make you shift. The problem is that I really only want you to shift at the top. And like at this point, I'm pretty sure there's a better way to do that, but this is the only way I can see to do this. I have no idea. This is the thing. Like, I don't know. I mean, I have something that can get me positions, but I don't have variables yet. To get variables, I need to unlock carrots. And to unlock carrots, I need more wood. And I would really like to make use of the rest of my lot. But because right now, if I do, I need. So let me see. If I do this 3 times, is that going to give me what I want? Okay, it does. Oh, that's why. Okay, so this is 3 times. Here, I can have that move. East. Okay. So now, can I? Oh, no, if I do that. Oh, good, it does it. I was really afraid it wouldn't do that. So now, if I go while, true, There we go. Okay, so that is. There's probably a way to make that cleaner, but it's getting the job done. Before I can plant carrots, I have to do two things. First, carrots can only go on tilled soil. So I need to till the soil. Calling till again, change it back to ground tough. I need to. Okay. Oh boy. How many do I need? 50. Oh, right. Oh, I only need to till this once. loop is what I want for this. That's the function I want, which I don't have yet. Okay, I do have loops. So how do while how do I how to make how do I get a while that is false? Or uh, hey Darth, yes, this is a new game. The farmer has been replaced by a robot, and I need to program the bleeping thing. And I may have already established that I suck I really thought that having the helps, because it's what made me look at this, but I don't like. How do I get a while loop to work? Like, how do I tell the while loop to work 3 times, kind of thing? Uh and I yeah. Enjoy James. Oh, right, because I have the uh, if I wanted to do this 3 times. Actually, this would be at the bottom. if you can harvest, you're gonna harvest. Then you are going to grab this. Then you're gonna plant it. Then you're gonna move north. Otherwise, all you're going to do is move north. That's not working. Okay, so that at least gives me that. Uh, you know what? I want to try something. Okay, I don't have an execute yet. Are you really going to do that to me? Yeah, this is okay, so it is really messy, but it is getting the job done. And yes, there is a certain sense of a satisfaction. So can I? I'd like to bring you back here. All right, so we're gonna go. Okay, what the hell? Why are you not? Harvest. Oh, because this is not tilled. Okay, might resolve it a bit. Oh, right. Right. That is why, that is where this is no longer adding up because I have a fourth column. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't, ultimately, this is not for me. I was really hoping, like, It's too complex for me. Yet another confirmation that I'm no coder. So